If you have a pickup truck like this, a Ford F-150 from the years 2015 to 2024, this video will interest you. But if you don't have a Ford F-150, but instead you have a Chevrolet Silverado like this one, or a Hyundai like this, or maybe you have a Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Jeep, or Nissan, it's also worth watching the video. But tell us already, Freddy Car Power 360, what is it about? Well, I'm going to tell you about this accessory that will make your life easier and save you energy. And above all, this is a 2016 Ford F-150. It will help preserve your vehicle's resale value. So if you want to sell it later on, this will help you get a better deal when you sell it. Today I want to talk to you about these Lasfit floor mats, which have special technology, not just for the Ford F-150 truck, but for other vehicles as well. Because honestly, I'm tired of doing this. Look, with traditional floor mats or the ones that come with the car, the vehicle gets dirty incredibly easily. And all that dirt, that mess, ends up on the floor mat, on the main floor of the vehicle. So I think I'm going to throw this vacuum cleaner in the trash. I don't need it anymore because since I saw this type of floor mat, I've loved it. They're easy to clean when dirty. I'm not saying they never get dirty. In the images, I show how easy it is to wash them, even though they're already dusty and dirty. You grab a hose and give it a good spray, a blast of water, as they say in some places, and that's it. And these channels you see here, which you also saw in the images, show how the water runs and helps make cleaning easier. Nothing is left behind at all. It's easy. Just use more pressure if it's mud or stuck and you won't have any problem. That's one of the things I love most about the product. Because it's a hassle to clean a muddy carpet, or if you spill something. There's always, let's say, a child or someone who knocks over a soda, and the carpet gets stained. Getting that out is really almost a mission impossible. Yes, there are products and all, but it's more work to install it. I want to show you something. Another advantage is that it's custom-made for each vehicle. In other words, they're not generic mats. And they're not generic because they're made in a computerized way, with lasers that have measured the exact dimensions of your vehicle's floor, so that they fit and fill this edge in such a way, almost airtight, where it's very hard for dirt or grime to get onto the carpet floor. And as you'll see in this video, they're very easy to install, but if you need any extra help, you'll have it. When you take them out of the box at home, they might be bent, but don't worry, they'll return to their original shape. Why? Another benefit is that they're made with a material called thermoplastic elastomer, which is low density. It's a material that gives them this flexibility. In fact, and I've had it in my hands, the competitor's material, which is much more expensive, I'm not going to say the brand, you touch it and it's like touching a wooden door, a hard plastic. These are flexible, and that's part of the advantages that floor liners, or Lasfit mats, give you. And something important I wanted to mention is how these mats help preserve the resale value. In case one day you decide to resell your vehicle, that grime, that dirt, hasn't gotten in as much. Unlike other vehicles that have traditional mats, the dirt doesn't reach the carpeted floor of the vehicle. And when you go to resell it, people notice the buyer checks the condition of that floor too, so it can help or contribute to it not depreciating as much. Let's keep going here. Taking out the Lasfit mats, and this one is fine. It's huge. Look, this one is impressive. You know why? Because this is the one for the back part of the Ford F-150. That's why I told you. The video is about the Ford F-150 just to give this example. But it's not only for the Ford F-150. On the website, you look for your brand and model, and there you'll find it. If it's available, you can buy it. And then we're going to install the part. This giant rubber thing that the floor liner has, this is called the floor mats. Look, almost from this position, what happens is that here I have the truck's running board. I can't get a little closer. I'm going to hit my shin there, but you could adjust it. It's so flexible since they're custom made. You almost don't need to go all the way over there. But anyway, I'm going to finish pressing down that edge on the other side, but look how quickly they can be installed. These are straight out of the box. I hadn't opened them until now, and here they are. Look, it's made to measure. This gets pressed down because it's thermoplastic elastomer material. And here we finish fitting the mat. Something important to note is the scanning technology they use. 3D scanning technology. That's what allows the contour to be perfect, made to measure, in this case, for a 2016 F-150. Look at how it fits perfectly like a glove. It has covered practically every inch. And here, like this, Look at how it looks. Honestly, it's almost impossible for dirt or mud to reach the floor, the carpet of the vehicle. Now, let's lower the seat so you can see how it looks like a brand new truck. And it's from 2016, it's already 8 years old. Look at how nice it looks. And let's say, a general look at all the mats so we can see how they turned out. And I'll keep telling you more about the benefits it has. But first, if you're enjoying the video and if you're liking the Lasfit mats, give me a like. You know, I don't just talk about products and accessories. I also have videos about new car launches, exclusive tests, first looks, where manufacturers invite me to give you the first impression before anyone else, exclusive access. Subscribe to the channel and you'll get a lot of that content. Let's continue. These floor mats also have the advantage that they're designed to withstand temperatures from minus 25 degrees Celsius, which is super cold, up to 75 degrees Celsius. And they remain flexible and durable under conditions that include mud, snow, rain, so they're really perfect for all weather. It has a non-slip surface, so you don't have to worry about slipping when getting in, even though it's rubber. No, it really doesn't slip, because it has a non-slip surface, both on the top and on the bottom. And that helps it stay in place, plus the contour is practically perfect. Oh, and look at this. It fits right onto the snap fasteners. If your vehicle has one of those fasteners, it's also custom made for your vehicle. If they have your make and model available, don't worry. Those fasteners will fit perfectly. Also, you have a warranty of up to 45 days. If you're not satisfied, you can return them. And just a note about the model. This is the Ford F-150 XLT. They fit perfectly, like a glove, only on the Ford F-150 Super Cup. Anyway, when you go to the website, you'll see if they're available for your specific model and version. But for the Super Cup, from 2015 to 2024, they wouldn't be available. So, how do you buy them and what do they cost? Great question. In the description of this video, you'll find the link to the website. You buy this online, and you'll get a 15% discount if you use a code that I'll put there in the description, so you can save more money. Check the price yourself, since people often ask me how much it costs. Go to that website, and there you'll see the price they have. If they ship to your country, to the city where you live, all that information is there, and take advantage of the 15% discount. So, take a look, and let me know in the comments what you think. And if you liked the video, I have 2 videos over here that you're going to love. I choose them strategically and manually, according to the taste and preference of people who watch this type of video. So, check them out and let me know what you think. For now, that's all. Remember, check the description for all the info. See you, take care.